One of the good features also available in the tool is auditing. Now imagine that I asked you to create an auditing system. This means that if the user changes any field, then you should store in one of the tables like who changed this, what was the old value, what is the new value. Imagine that you need to build something like this. First of all, you're going to think about designing it first, and it takes time. This has been already designed, tested, everything. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply add auditing support to the system. Now, what tables I need to audit? So I'm going to select all. I'm not going to select audit modifications, of course, because this is the table where we're storing the auditing information. So of course, auditing cannot create an auditing for itself. Then I'm going to mark selected tables as auditable. Okay, let us check what happened exactly. Okay, now after running, let me navigate one of the screens. What I want now is I want to change this address to something else. Okay, before I change this, I'm going to open the audit modifications table. There is no data in that table right now. Okay, I'm going to save the record. Now let me refresh. So in the background, the system created an audit record. From this record, I can know that user ID number one, which is basically admin user, connected using pharmacy to the table companies, to the column address, where his description is address in Arabic. Old value was A and changed it to Riyadh. There are no remarks. This is transaction time. This is the transaction, its update operation. And the table record primary key that has been updated has a value 1. This is the transaction time in Hijri. This is the page name. This is remote host, remote IP. There is no, it's not SQL, it's basically done using business components. So as you can see, in order to create such an auditing framework, make sure everything is working fine, of course, takes time. While using the tool, well, this takes just one click. So this is also one of the biggest advantages of the tool.